Ren. Oh my god.
Isaac gave me permission to film some useless things, so I'm just gonna film. And then okay, instead of filming useless things, I'm gonna film good things.
Thank you. I gotta turn my entire body because my neck hurts.
Oh.
I can do this way, but
6 months. Dude, he's just
Oh,
hovering.
he looks lost.
He's just hovering, bro. Is this what unemployment looks like?
He kicking it into high.
Dude, the unemployment groceries right here. Isaac, put your double chin out.
I'll bet on it. All you have to do, we're betting that I'm gonna eat all of my weight.
It's not the same as chili salsa.
It's not.
Look at that. Oh my god. How do you guys like the food?
We're supposed to be at Burger King.
We're supposed to be at Burger King. This is better than Burger King. Oh.
I think I'm the perfect size for this. How are you gonna get out?
I'm just gonna go down. See yellow people that come by.
Yeah.
Hey, yo!
Okay, we gotta go now.